before the sketch, today I will going to introduce you Procreate. If you are new to it, then it's a very good thing to know. If you know it already, then it's perfect. Just enjoy the video. And so, as the way we start our Procreate, as we just click on the app, we just came here. This first page we see, and we see some icons over here. It's like giving a select option, import option, and photo option, and plus mark. This mark is actually going to give you a screen size. Screen size is the best size to use it. If you want to use any other size, it's possible, and it's available over here. And more, you want some business card or something like very small project or something, so you can choose to be here. So this is going to be like it's giving a lot of width, height, dpi maximum less you require, and so many other details you required to fit it before starting your business card sketch or something. You are doing something in the Procreate you are planning to. So it's a very good platform for everything. So I have selected this. So this sheet, which where the dimensions I have already put it up there, it came here. So basically this is a kind of a bookmark shape. If I require to do this, if I want to print something to sell out, so it's a perfect thing to do that. So we're gonna go back. This is not a video is all about, live is all about. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna continue my sketch over here. This is sketch I was working. I'm working on it from 2 days, I guess. Yes. So before starting this all things, and we're going to discuss about these. If we click on the gallery, we can come back to the gallery, and if we click on the sketch, we come here again, and afterwards we have wrench, second option, and this option is saying so many things, offering us add options, which is going to let us import, insert a file, insert a photo, take a photo, or add text, which we can do that and sketch on it directly. Cut, copy canvas, and canvas is giving us a lot of things where we can have animation, like giving us so many options to the animation thing. The drawing guide is going to give us a grid, which allows to give it a guidance. I mean, it's giving us so many guidance. So here is the next option, which is like a basically in a color way we can use it. Second option, and third option is giving us a settings, so which is going to be help us with the sketching. And the last option is a selecting tool, which is going to select the option we just have done it. Okay. And next options over here is a brush tool. So many brushes over here they are offering, and we can also add more brushes according to our required by hitting this plus icon. And next is a blurring tool. So what are we going to do here? It required blurriness. So here, if I'm giving options over here, like, give me a second. So here I require some shine over here. So I'm selecting this brush tool, and this gives us a stroke. And afterwards I'm selecting this blurring tool and giving it a blur, and it's giving a shine tool. I mean, it's giving a shine over there. And after that we have a third option here, erasing tool. Erasing in many other, we can select many points of many kind of erasers over here. And then this option is giving us a layer option. If we don't want some layers on it. We should work on our layers, and if we required to remove something which we don't want, we don't need to erase that thing. We can just turn off the layer and then come back with that. And the last option over here is a grading tool where we have a lot of options to fill our artwork. So, and also it can give us a option. I mean, it's giving us option to add more according to our requirement. We can create new many things. So we're gonna go through everything, but before that we're gonna start this sketch now. So how we have reached here about the sketch, I'm going to go through the layers and introduce you the sketch properly. So for that I need to remove all these layers. And remove this grid. So starting on the first layer, so this is a picture I have downloaded from Pinterest. And then next step, then I divided this picture with the help of this line, and after that thing I have divided these poses in the center. This pose is actually giving us a female pose, is giving us a front look, and this male is giving us a side pose look. After marking the center, now I have marked heads, which is covering head area, shoulder, hip, waist, knee, ankle, and see with the male. After that, now I turn this into a stick figure. So I marked circles by putting the headline in the center, and then marked as a bones as a direct lines, which is directing as lines, and then same with the male. After the stick figure, I convert it into a block figure where I have maintained the circles as it is, but I have blocked the rest of these lines, which is giving us a complete direction and going to help us in the next step. After this step, we don't need this picture, and we need to reduce the opacity of every layer so that we till the visibility we require, so that we can see next step. So this is the visibility I needed, and it's visible to you too. And then we have turned this into the flesh figure with the help of that block figure. It was easy to make a croquis. So after this layer, I have draped these two illustrations, and we don't need these rest of the layers, which is till the block figure. We don't need it, and we have removed it. So this was a draping I have given to these croquis. This is wearing something one piece, and this person is wearing male is actually wearing long coat and pants, definitely. And after that layer, I have rendered this male and female hairs. I have given this grayish look to the female outfit, and then marked so many layers over there. And completed this embroidery, pearl embroidery in the design yesterday. So today we're going to continue this with the male, and hopefully we're going to do the skin wrangling too. Let's see how we're going to do that. I have a plan for the male that I'm going to click this French tool, add, insert a photo. So I have this plan. So we have this image over here. You're going to reduce the opacity of this image till the visibility are required. I'm going to select the same image again. I think this is perfect, and I will duplicate it. Now select it again. And select wrap from here, and then going to wrap this. Rest we don't need it, so we're going to remove this all, and with the help of this eraser it's easy. Now I'm going to select calligraphy and my customized brush, this one, and I'm going to sizing it at 2%. This is bigger. Okay, I'm going to focus on my pearl embroidery and going to mute this live. Keep watching, enjoy the illustration show.